Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc here with a nail update on this beautiful red blossom set that I did. I ordered these nails from Temu. They were only $1.58. If you missed the tutorial on these nails, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. Now I applied these nails with acrylic powder and rapid dry nail glue, and that TikTok hack actually worked. So this is my left hand, and as you can see, the nails are still on. They still looking good. The shine is still there from the top coat that I put over them. They are not lifting, bending, breaking, nothing. Like, they're good. I wasn't worried at all because as soon as I put them nails on, that glue and that acrylic just stuck. So this week I was not worried. One did pop off on my right hand. My thumbnail came off, and then I just grabbed some glue to put it back on, but it just was not the same. So that thumbnail looked so ugly, but the rest of the nails held up just fine. But as y'all know, we do our weekly nail tutorial, so I'm going to take these nails off and get into another set. But I have an announcement. I'm doing a press-on nail giveaway. When I hit 400